Hey everyone, I am Inzamamul Haq from Bangladesh. Today's video I will share how to create a Google Ads account without campaign. Okay, first of all I'm going to start now. Then I can share this Amazon.com, AmazonV.com or anything just a .com. Okay, so you can see this AmazonV.com. Then one next. See this website is not active URL, so you can see this Amazon, no issue, anyone. Okay, so I can share the Amazon.com. This is a valid email. Okay, a valid URL, just any type of valid URL, let's Google, Walmart, anyone. Okay, so I'm doing this next. Then first of all you can go into this one skip. Okay, click the skip and click the skip. Okay, every skip just to leave campaign creation. Okay, you can see again leave the campaign creation. Okay, so quick one, you can just add that your billing country. My country is Bangladesh, then billing country Bangladesh, you use the United States, UK, Canada, any everything, no issue. Then your time zone and currency, then continue. Now you can add your the payment information for this offer code, any promotional codes or everything. Okay, first of all you can create your payment profile. Just click the plus icon. Okay, then you can name organization, individual or anything. The maximum person is the individual. Then your address, your card address. Then just create and add your card information like debit card, credit card, virtual card, everything, just a single card added, you start your Google Ads account. This is simple, not your added your this first campaign. Just create your payment profile and run your Google Ads account. Thank you everyone, see this video.